So for Penny Reverend Owusu Bempah Ekwatena Asempa FM. Etifo na insemna wakafa mahama hono. Eyadia enye. But you are used to this because this is not the first time Sebe Owusu Bempah can CBC afa ex-president Mahama ho. Answer your better also subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. We hear the latest news be about on sa ebeka. Dear Reverend Owusu Bempah eka afa Mahama ho ne say when the crowd were better than they Mahama ne running mates biano say nipa kro no Sebe after elections no will be na it's a very serious thing Reverend Owusu Bempah worker. I don't want to waste your time. You can go to Insema Reverend Owusu Bempah what they etu jano.
Ocean kombi fa JM running mate ho.
I know busame kra me kan ye kra wa hapa. Die hian so bebusa mo busame dia. Wa busame dia men kan ba busam dia me.
En na mebusa.
So be bokra so am obi atia.
I mean
anasa o ma me
kan voice no wa. But Ocean kom fa the running mate ho.
Papa eno kra me nyan kan wie. Eno kra de mehu bebre kra fa ho a mesan keka kra ka ho.
Running mate ne ye hwan?
Me de me nyan hu but o mo running mate bi odene bebe bia. O ye running mate ya e chene be show.
E che be show so ba be di president.
Da bi e che be show say ye to aba ni wi a na wanyina yi pa ma urade a odon kwa betwa so.
Yes, guys, you heard Reverend Owusu Bempah right. Now, audio no, there is more. One question that the person maybe say, doesn't Reverend Owusu Bempah get tired? Na Reverend Owusu Bempah wa ya the palm the Bible say ebeka. But if I feel say sebe, wakan simbi entry ya, still me Bible say ebeka. It will just make me a hypocrite to be silent on some things I work on. Year in, year out, we've always seen Reverend Owusu Bempah putting things on John Dramani Mahama. Doesn't Reverend Owusu Bempah get tired? One bread. I'll give you a typical example. Yeni ayakai embra circle eshiya ngrofo ewuwu ye no. That time na Mahama and na were president. We saw or we heard what Reverend Owusu Bempah about saying ebeka. Waka se Mahama hu fimbi sunsun dia wakojide win election and na abeye sa na Mahama moja e won nsa no. Fast forward, Akufo-Addo ebedane president. Wono nso Atomic Junction ehye the same thing. Nkrofo bi efemu ewuye. Eno de Owusu Bempah ba abonti ameka se Akufo-Addo nso akoje huhu fimbi e de be win election ntiana je se huhu no eji aketia. Why are we living as hypocrites in this nation? Sabi Reverend Owusu Bempah yobi a nkrofo ebu no. Insebi wo ho a eni kwan se woka. Now he's making it too clear. Say what time Mahama with passion. Asebo ya wa betina ho akai sabi predi asan. Wa wutie mi na ka Mahama eya wo papa na ka weni beje. Asema Reverend Owusu Bempah kan fa Mahama hui. Say nipa bia wo bedane ne running mate bia wo bewu ene den aha adey na die me ya ene say we di na no National Peace Council wo mo nkasa mfa hu na so Nigel Gezi ekoshen kom say NDC be wini na NPP plan say wo mo be reggae election and the National Peace Council about say yenche Nigel Gezi ntum. Na so asema Owusu Bempah ke National Peace Council they are quiet. Yanti ansem ne so se na bidi ka tell no enya ansem ni dinano no. Ba yanti aso ni yanti ensem a Reverend Owusu Bempah wakafa Mahama ho very serious.
No, but that's a serious thing to say.
A serious thing to say but onyame aka. Onyame nim say serious and ofa me mukae. To onyame hu ni serious na ofa mukae me so meka na say onyame kan na.
But how do we believe say Nyankopon beka bibisa say obi ebe by virtue say nipa na ba be running mate into the nkwa etwa so. I mean Nyankopon be na yes ade no.
Ene ye say ya papa kwasi amisata. Erade fam so bo no kokko. Eno na 31st night sa na erade. Ebio mani ma me hu say wanyane ankoto nyame nkrofo ama ya mompa ya ma no ne ensu angu awurade so abosumi dukrento no obewuwo bi a ono akra no ho bedwiri no sana nkomhye ne bae na ono kra onyi ni so awu.
But that was not because say obey running mate.
Oh, I can't because say
because Nyankopon anka ne sa.
Nkomhye no eba mu say because of enchantment bi nti. Enchantment bi akoso. Sunsum nyema bi akoso ntra. Sunsum nyema bi akoso ntra. Sunsum nyema bi koso. The same thing. Ena we so atie. Etesa ade no. Utwu mu afa na onsanka. No afura gina konya so. So pesofa na konya na yi wahwefom. Wo nipa no bofo ma konya no so timibu. Enu ti no. Utwu mu afa. Onsantimi nka. Jatna obabi still also obetwu mu afa. Ena obi so akwakopeja no se ne meboa ma wo wotimi atwu mu afa. To otwini mu na ontimi mfa no. Minim se bibi na to na ni o se den yo se so e from the patri yo. Ena omu nyina bo fom pool. Dem hu ya ne se ne a wapeja akwa ne se onpeja onya de ne mfiri epa no so no. Ono mom no. Sebi wawu. Enti enchantment ekoso. Na tio sawo ji ade a enya ode a na se enchantment eya dwuma honhom na obeba no obusa bribi se edien na mode ma me se mitime boa ama mo nsaka masida ye dien ana honhom bi so no obeboa onsan kakura na sida obeje
Asempa FM
me pa cho yentie ni yo honhom bi wono ma obeboa se onsan kakura na sida obeje because ebi okosunsun wiase ekoton kunimdie no so de brew na de koton kunimdie no ebi na enipa nkwa entrodin kunimdie ne ba ya nkunimdie no nsanka no me pa cho utimi koton niema o beton nyamfa so utimi boka eno nkyere se wo besesa niema no se enti no eno nkyere se jai edwadie.
So mwatse ensema Reverend Osubempa woni tuja na she the last analogy a wo maaye no was a who be wo wo kwa me ho se wo kwaje mboaya ebia na waboa na waboa wi a wo beje ade na wo ka se wo beje niti indirectly o person wo ka se John Dramani Mahama eko who be ho yes one can directly saba it's a parable muntie niye na the person can say John Dramani Mahama eko who be ho se wo kwa kwaji to me. Now who made to me Mahama ewo spiritual world but it didn't come into the physical. But still who they say why ye jumanti e was say waje crab wade o say say na ye omo kan no e was say waje ade a Mahama edibe tiaka na de Mahama ediko tiaka eye the vice president emisata asem na tintin eni ni tietie mu anu no nsema Reverend Osubempa pese wodi tuja na Ghana for ye ti ase no eno no ne tintin ni tietie mu anu no na I don't even know what to say. Reverend Osubempa enyi sabi ni efi na I don't know insem bi wo ho a ye mba bedwem mekanisa like Ghana has say ya so enyama bi so too much na eye me ya pan say institutions a e wo say eye adwuma na ehwe ema nsem bi enkoso no obo say wo mo ahwe ema nyama no ekoso na so wo bi koya na ya so wieti asa ne pakonimo wo bi a wo better say Ghana has say tribalism edi halo de bakono wo boa le pakone boa papa asebo ya Reverend Osubempa e de atodwai eno abi ena sofu bi a ye friend Cosmos Walker woko kan ye se enkrofo bi abopa wo ma bo tribu po se wo mo pese wo mo kun eye na na Akufo-Addo on live TV ye ka say national security e mefa sa asofo no. Imagine say prophet bi ebeba abote hwe nsema ye ka fa Mahama ho. Imagine say ebia beduko bi ana Nigeria because omo ne ehu omo say omo ye NDC4 prophet. Imagine say omo ba abote ebeba beka say Akufo-Addo say ana president Akufo-Addo ono so koje huhu bi and I say, and now they imagine say Baumia because Baumia said, Untumi Chairman said, Wabunina and Crawford be close to them a whooping. Ekufa no say when you do, Untumi Chairman say, the close person be anywhere we whooping. It is treasure the Pacono, a son said, where public fraternity, say close person be better than the Pacuni water, say, you're the best in the Pacono. Why do we do these things in this country? And I can imagine, say, a Reverend Bedukobi, and now Sofo Nigel Gazy, and now Soriaka say, Sabe in Prediasa, Nale Kufuado, and now President Kufuado, and now Akwati who be, and now Woku will be, because yes, MPP penny for being so every. It's emergency as you who be no kwaji here, and mattress MPP for the few one. Nancy. Inside by I said Nanado Echo Hospital, not almost a rational hospital. But the real truth of the matter, they say now MPP Penibi and I will be now or yes strong MPP mu and now we are hospital now Nanado Costrano. Now say I sign the Paconi, yes, we free. It imagines a soft be and a babo to Becca say Nanado Costra sign the Pacono and at a Nanado a year enchantment be and a Pacone free because Nanado wants to win 2020 election. Now who send the uncle sorry tia sa sofono for saying that thing against Nanado. Now so look at the things we've said against John Dramani Mahama, and I'm not taking myself out. Me kama kasan send me biafa na ho. Ama me campaign my yet to tia Mahama 4 years ago. Me can me believe this answer me can be and my make can be my yet to tia Mahama, but me akasa maintenance adwen hono me hu ne said dabi. We've not been fair to the man. Sebe, why me papa? And kebebe ya, se me tie sansen William F. ne ho. Na de bia de make and say, Aba ye de botechino. Sa bana de say ye de ban. If we treated Mahama for doing something and then say Nanado and so ye the same thing, why do we need to treat him differently? Montreal, imagine your comment box to motivate for me that say.